Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Myself is Manoj Mangal. In the previous class, we were doing introduction of railway. Introduction of railway. I have said all the marks of distribution, and I said from tomorrow I will be continuing the regular classes from reasoning. So today I am going to take the reasoning class of dash. Okay, students. First, one more thing, I will be taking this class in bilingual language, in English and Hindi. And one more thing, friends, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Okay, students. Now let's start the class. Students, I said in the previous class I will be taking the reasoning of dash. So dash. In railway, NTPC and CBT2 of NTPC CBT2 and Group D, dash questions will be appearing. Dash questions will be appearing for 1 or 2 marks. 1 or 2. 1 marks is fixed. Maybe if you have luck, we will be getting 2 marks. It is a fixed question. Okay, so now first of all we must know what is dash. Dash has 6 faces and 8 corners. 12 lines are there. So dash has a 6 faces. The number will be 1 to 6. That is called a dash. So dash, I will take this one. We can see only 3 faces, and other 3 faces will be hidden in the dash. So students, in today's class I will take you dash. Now dash, I will be what is dash and what are standard dash and what is non-standard dash. I will be taking this one. For the next class, I will be taking all types of dash. It will remain in the next class. In the next class, I will be taking problems. Okay. Now dash will be having six faces. Only we can see 3. Other 3 faces are hidden. So dash will be on this type. So students, this is dash. Only 3 faces will be seen. Other 3 faces will be hidden on the back side. Back side means particular example we can take this one. See students, 1, 2, 3. 3 faces are hidden and only we can see 3 faces. 3 faces. They are totally we can number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces, 6 numbers will be coming in this dash. Okay, 6 numbers will be coming in dash. So we can say while the question in this type dash, the question will be appearing in what is the opposite of 1, what is the opposite of 3. There is a just a trick. If you know that trick, you can do any types of problem. So this is dash. Okay students, now first note it down, this one. I will go to the next one. So now students, now the question comes, they will be giving you 2 dashes. We have to find the opposite of 1 or opposite of 5. They will ask any type of question. Okay. Now first one, I will be taking 2 dashes. Only we can see 3 faces. This is 1 dash, second dash. There are 2 dashes. I will name it as 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 2. So students, in this dash, in every problem they will be giving 2 dashes or 3 dashes. There will be a common point, 1 common or 2 common points will be there. Otherwise there will be no common point. First we have to see in this question, there is a first topic in this one. First topic, how many common points are there? How many common points? So see here, 3 is there? No. 6 is there? No. 2 is there? 2 is there. It is a 1 common point question. So first we must know 1 common point. 1 common point is there. First we have to write the common point here. 2. In this one 2. I'll write this one as down as 2. So students, second thing what you must take in the clockwise direction. You must take in the clockwise, so that the problem will be solved. Clockwise direction means 2. Clockwise will become, next will the number will be 3. Next number will be 6. Okay students, got it? Now next here 2. Clockwise means will be coming 4. Next clockwise means 5. So here till now we got it. Now afterwards 6 opposite nothing but 5 is just the opposite. So what is it? Is very easy. 6 opposite is 5. 3 opposite is 4. See, 2 opposite. What is the remaining number? That is opposite of 2. Means 2 opposite is nothing but 1. So in this way, I have to solve with the question. Okay. Now students, now we got it. Now I can ask any type of question. What is the opposite of 4? Means 3. Opposite of 2 is 1. Opposite of 6 is 5. So in this one. So wait students. Now opposite of the number. So first question in this one, 4. 4 opposite. Second one, 5 opposite. Third one, 1 opposite. What is the opposite of 4? If they ask what is the opposite of 4? Opposite of 4 means from here you came. Opposite of 4 is 3. Opposite of 5 is 6. Opposite of 1. Here 1 will be there. So if nothing 2 means which number is left out, that is the opposite of 2. Means 1. 1 means opposite is 2. So students, in this way we have to solve it. One common variable, this type of method we have to solve. Okay students, got it? It is very easy. Please try to understand the concept. Here understand the concept is most important rather than solving most number of problems. If you know the concept, you can solve any number of questions you can solve. Okay? Questions, got it? I will say one more time students here. There are 2 diagonals are given. In 2 diagonals, there will be one common point. For one common point, we will use this method. 2 here common. So I will take clockwise direction. So that I will write after the resolve. So 6 opposite directly gets is 5. 3 opposite is 4. 2 opposite. Why is one number is not written? So 1. So opposite of numbers, we can take any number of them. So in this way, we have to solve this problem. Okay students? Okay students? Okay, note it down this one. I'll give up an example of this type so that it will be familiar to you. Okay, note it down. Students, screenshot it. Otherwise, you note it down fast. Students, one more thing. The PDF, the notes of these questions, anything is there is I'll be uploading in my Telegram channel. In the coming classes, I will be giving my Telegram channel. I will be uploading their PDF notes so that you can download it. I will be reading out the question. You can download it and you can save the file. Okay? Note it down. So okay students, in this type only I am going to give our next question. See here, 6, 1, 3. 6, 4, 5. So this is the question. So this is they will be giving the 2 dice. This is one common point, and I will be finding the opposite of some numbers. I will find opposite of numbers. So I will be giving the first number. I will be giving find the opposite of 6. Second one, opposite of 4. Third one, opposite of 1. So we have to find the opposite of this number. So first we have to find which type of question this one. We know that 6 is there. 3. It is the one point. It is a one common point is there. So one common point will be there. So what is that common point is there? One common point is there. So what is that common point is 6. Here also 6 is there. So next step, we have to go in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means 6 afterwards will come 3. Next clockwise direction again it will come 1. So yes, 6 afterwards clockwise direction will be 4. 4 afterwards 5. Now what is opposite of 1 is 5. 3 opposite is 4. 6 opposite is what number we have left out now, that number we take it as the opposite of it. So 6 opposite is 2. So in this way you have to solve it. Okay students, अब समझ में आया ना, अभी ऐसा सॉल्व करना चाहिए. क्यों बोले तो 6 का वो तो 1 पॉइंट कॉमन वेरिएबल है. अभी इधर इसमें 6 कॉमन है. 6 कॉमन लिया, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में लेना चाहिए. उसके बाद आपका ऑपोजिट इधर ही फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. अभी इधर अभी देखो 6 का ऑपोजिट क्या है? 6 का ऑपोजिट 2 है, इसलिए 2 लिखना चाहिए. 4 का ऑपोजिट 3, 1 का ऑपोजिट 5 है. So in this way you have to solve the one common point variable questions. Understand the concept very well, so that you can solve any number, any type of problems in this way. Okay, students, you note it down. I will go to two common point variable questions. Okay, note it down, this one. Questions, I think you have noted down. So students, next one, two common variables. So I take a two dices. Two dice. So 2 dice. In this one I will be taking the number 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 6. Okay students, in this type of questions we find that two common points will be there. Two common points, see here, 2 is there, 2 is there. Next common point 3, nothing is there, 3. So next one 5. 5. So we are finding two common points in this type of questions. So we can say this one is two common points are there. Which are there? 2 and 5. 2, 5. Here also 2 and 5. Remaining 2, 5. Remaining is there 3. So I write 3. 2, 5. Remaining 6. So we can say that opposite of 3 is 6. Opposite 3 is 6. We don't know 2 opposite or 5 opposite. We don't know. So in this type question, only we can find the one opposite. For the other opposite, we cannot find it. So I will be taking this one question, opposite sides. First one, 2. What is 2 opposite? Second one, 4 opposite. Third one, 6 opposite. Okay students, now got it. Now see students here. Now see students, what is the opposite of 2? 2 we don't know. 2 number is there. Definitely 6 and 5 will not be there. 6 and 5 will not be there. 6 and 5 will not be there. 6, 5 and 3 will not be there students. 6, 5, remaining how many numbers are there? 1 and 4. It may be 1 or 4. If 4 is not there, 1 also is not there. So we can say either 1 or 4 we can say. Okay students, got it? Now what is the opposite of 4? 4. 4 here also not there, 4 here also not there. So we can say that 3 and 6, there will be 4 numbers. We will take 5. Otherwise we will take 5. What is the opposite of 5? 5 is this one. 2 and 3 definitely it will be not there. Because in the same days we are seeing means opposite side we must see. So in this condition it will not possible 2 and 3. After that 2 and 3 is not 6 and 6 also will be not possible because 6 opposite is 3. Okay. Now then remaining numbers are 4, 1 and 4. Okay, so yes, 1 or 1 and 4. In any condition 1 and 4 will be there. Okay students. Now what is the opposite of 6? Opposite directly we can get as 3. So in this question, this is a question solution. So in this question we can say that either 1 or 4 will be a possibility. In the option there will be 4 options will be there friends in railway. In 4 options, in option A you have either 1 or 2, either 2 or 3, either 4 or 5. So your right answer will be for option for opposite of 2 is either 1 or 4. In this way you have to solve it. Okay, so for two common variables, one variable will be getting, for other variable will be not be getting friends. Okay students, got it? Okay, note it down friends. I will give you an example of it so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, note it down this one. Okay students. So here I will be taking the two common points. So I will be taking 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 3. Over here, now we have to find the opposite of it. Opposite sides. Opposite. First question I will be giving 4. Second question I will be giving 3. Third question I will be giving 5. Questions. Now we have to find the opposite of it. Okay. Now first point, it is the two common point. Why is one is there common, one is there. Other 5 is there, so it is 5. So it is the two common points. Two common points. First we have to write the number 195, 195. What is the remaining number? 4. Here, what is the remaining number? 3. Students, one more thing. Here they will be not asking all the 4. They will be asking only one number. What is the opposite of 4? What is the opposite of 3? That much only. If you know this much, we can solve it. Okay. I am doing more problems. I am doing more problems here. Okay. See here. 4 opposite is 3. Fixed. 4 opposite is 3 fixed. See students. 1 and 5 is there. So 1 opposite. Okay. Now we got it still here. So what is the opposite of 4? 4 opposite you can say directly. We can write it as 3. 3 opposite. Okay. I will take 2. 2 students. What is the opposite of 2? Opposite of 2. What is the opposite of 2? Definitely we can say that 4 and 3 will be not having any conditions. 4 and 3 is not possible. So it will be over. So students, what is the opposite of 2 means? We can say that 1 also possibility, 2 is not, 3 not, 4 not, 5 and 6. In these 3, any one will be the possibility. Okay students, what is? Now 5 is there. So 5 is there students. Here 5. 1 and 4 is not possible to take. 1, 4, 3 is not possible. Why means 1 we can't take it. 4 and 3 are opposite, so we can't. The remaining numbers are 2, 3. In either 2 or 3 numbers we can take it. So in this way you have to solve this type of question. Two common points. Okay friends, got it? Got it? It is very easy. Try to understand the concept. If you're not getting any point, please rewind the video and see it. You will get every point of it. Okay? Just it is a common sense. We have to do it. Okay, sir? It is a two common point. Okay? Okay, note it down. I will go to the next topic. Standard dash and non-standard dash. Okay? Note it down this one. I have given one common point and two common point. Okay. Okay. So students, here dash, the next topic is what is standard dash and non-standard dash. Standard dash and non-standard dash. Non-standard dash. So here, what is standard? Standard dash is nothing but when you are adding two dashes, the sum must be equal to 7. Standard dash is equal to 7. Non-standard dash is not equal to 7. When we add two dashes, is not equal to 7. That is called a standard dash and non-standard dash and non-standard. For example, we take two dashes. Now I take two dashes. So this is the dash. So this is the dash. I will be naming the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See students, in this one, in this standard dash and non-standard dash, this is the topic. So in this one, see students, first we have to know it is a standard dash or non-standard dash. See students, this quotient will be equal to this one, 2 equal to this one, and 3 equal to this one. If we add both this one, we are getting the answer as 7. We call it is equal to 7. We call it as standard dash. If it is not equal to 7, we call it as non-standard dash. It's a simple. It is a simple concept. Okay. See here, student. Now 1 is there. We are getting this one here. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Is equal to 7 is standard dash. If it is not equal to 7, we call it as non-standard dash. So whole system will be a standard dash. So next one, 2 plus 5, 7. So next one, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Question. Now in this one, what we can say is opposite of 1 will be 6. If we getting all are 7, we call it standard dash. Standard dash means standard dash. If we take 1, opposite is 6. 2 opposite is 5. 3 opposite is 4. So in this way you have to solve it. Okay students? So we can say that so we can say one as well. So in this one, standard dash we can say in this way we have determined. Okay students, this is a standard dash question. So the question comes, what is the opposite of 4? 4 means we can directly say 4 opposite is 3. What is the opposite of 2? What is the opposite? Opposite of 2 is 5. So in this way you must solve this question. Standard dash. Okay students? Note it down. In this way you have to solve this question. Okay students, I will be winding up the class here. Standard dash I have completed. In the next class we will be going to do non-standard dash and types of dash. After that we are going to do some problems. Okay students, if you have any doubt, any inquiry, please in comment section comment it. I will reply to it. Okay students, hope you are liking my videos very well. And one more thing students, please like it and share it and subscribe my channel. Okay students? Okay. Thank you students.